Hello everyone. So today we will going to discuss hack number 2, which is how to convert text to speech using Python. This hack is very useful if you want to convert textual document into the audio file. Now, to implement this hack, we need something called GTTS library. Now, you will ask, without using library, can we implement it? It is very difficult to implement without using library because we have to write each code from scratch and we need to write 100 lines of code and it will become very difficult aspect to implement the following hack. So we are using Python language because here in Python language there is something called GTTS library. Now this library is developed by Google company and inside this library there is something called GTTS API. Now GTTS is very easy to use tools which converts the text entered into audio, which can be saved as a MP3 file. So it will going to take your textual or a doc file and it will going to convert that into a MP3 file. The best thing about GTTS library is it supports several languages including English, Hindi, Tamil, French and many more. Now our first task is we will going to select the doc file which we want to convert. Now this is the doc file which I want to convert and the name of this doc file is text.doc. Inside this doc file, I have a textual document written on the history of Python programming. Now, I just mentioned about the programming language Python was conceived in the late 1980s and all the information related to it. Now, we have to convert the given piece of textual document into the audio file. So, for that, we need to analyze a piece of code that I have written here. Now, if you implement this piece of code, you can easily convert any textual file into the audio file. So our first task is, now the second task is start implementing the code. So here we need to install GTTS library because from GTTS, so to install GTTS library, we have to go to command prompt and there we need to install pip install GTTS. So now the library is installed. Now once it is installed from GTTS, we will going to import GTTS API, which is very important, and after that we will going to import OS module. Now the reason for importing OS module is to start the audio file, or you can say to auto play the audio file once we execute this given set of code. Now first of all we will going to open our text.doc.txt. So here we will going to specify the location of the file which we want to convert. So the name of that file is text.doc and since it is in the same folder, so this is the location of that file. Now we will going to read that file, so it is in the read mode and we created the object of that file using the name fh. Now since the name of the object is fh, using the read method and read method we will going to read the entire file whatever is written here, and after that using the replace method we will going to replace all the line break with the space just to synchronize the things in a proper manner, and all the output of the given code will be saved in a variable called myText. Now here we are taking language as a English, so this is the code for the English. So our language is English, so this is the code for the English. Now this is the most important part of our code where we are implementing the GTTS API. Now GTTS API is asking three parameters. One is text, second is language, and third is slow. Now in text we need to specify all the information about the textual document that we want to convert. So already we have stored all the information in this variable, so we pass this variable in the first parameter. In the second parameter it will ask about the language in which you want to convert. So already we have selected the language is the English, so we will going to convert in the English language. The third parameter will ask about whether you want your speed of the audio fast or slow. So we want a normal speed, so we given the argument as a false. Now the output of the given API will be stored in the variable called audiobook, and using the method save we will going to create the mp3 file of that audiobook called audiobook.mp3, and then after we will going to close the file. This is just the formality to since we have opened the file, so we will going to close the file. And to autoplay, like once we execute the code of this Python, in order to autoplay we will going to start that audio file once we execute the code. So let's start executing the code. So just to go, yeah, this is the correct location. So we will go to Python and the name of the file is roh. So we will going to start executing this one. Since we have given the code of autoplay also, it will start autoplaying. So see.
History of Python programming. The programming language Python was conceived in the late 1980s and its implementation was started in December 1989 by Guido van Rossum at CWI in the Netherlands as a successor to ABC, capable of exception handling and interfacing with the Amoeba operating system.
So we easily converted a textual document into the audio file.